Yes, what people, we're back on the next vlog. And right now, people, we're doing the 2025 yard deal video. But me, there's some Jamaican mans, some Jamaican people today. This is Rambo, my people.
Yeah, man. Man out and bad, you see it. Welcome in a foreign. You don't know a thing, though. Yeah, deal with.
He's a Jamaican Canadian.
Yeah, you see it. Or something like so.
You understand? How long are you in Canada?
1 million years.
How is Canada to you?
Canada wicked as fuck, but it's alright if you know what you do.
You enjoy Canada?
Kinda like that on a level, big man thing.
But you drive a big car.
Cause me I make it be what it is for me. Yeah.
So you love Canada then?
I love everywhere. It have money there and I'm getting good, I like it.
How about you? You like Canada?
You know, fairly.
Look at how him living a life. Look at them people and me people. They don't look like them are suffer Canada.
No, sir.
So Canada is good for you.
Look here. People are dashing money in Canada.
That's fake money though.
Look. Them are cut up money in Canada.
People, you need a mechanic or anybody like that.
Or something like so.
What Rambo, what you doing in Canada?
Boy, too much things, you know.
Artists.
As long as it's called pay me, except they don't know, we don't go the next way, you see it. But yes, I working hard feet, you don't know, I'll do it.
How you doing in Canada?
Me working man still and don't know producer, manager. I'll say go on. Like,
So, you not single?
Yes, man. But me
Cause you know the girl, cause the girl them always gonna ask me, you know. You know them man they single, they want, you see me to put Peter Blacks. Hey Peter, people, I'm a brother, you know. I don't know if me and him look alike. Wait there. Me and him look alike. I'm a brother, you know, my people. At the end of the day, they say my jacket. That or that.
As long as it fit, you see it. That's what you think, say.
That or that.
Yeah, man, I like that little thing I do. It come like a AI little thing. Wicked man like if I move with me.
That a code.
Lord, me I tell you, man. Like a little robot I look for my dog. What do you think?
So shout out the business again, Jay.
I don't know, JCMRA.
Yes, man.
Clothing line, check it out.
Same clothing line upon him things there, you see my people. So if you want to support him and give him, you know, see him black and white on him shoes, to him hand, you understand my people? So you want to give him a support and thing.
Yes,
Wait
man.
there, you see it? Him have him a thing, I go on, so you can support him. Him have him own YouTube channel too also, you know my people.
JCMRA, everything JCMRA, just check it out.
Yeah man, and right now people with that, like we say with the yard deal, and we're gonna show off yard deal mall right now, just to say we are do a walkthrough. Dogs them, you know, and this a Rambo now, Rambo.
Yeah, me there, man. Go on.
Tell me your thing now, no.
You don't know there, man. Look out for my company, Brands Recycle Metals and Used Car Parts. You see it? Yeah.
Also, how's Canada for you in the
Canada
past?
is wonderful, man. Canada treated me great. Don't get it twisted. The rest I run like a joke more time. But on a real life thing, if you know if you make life, you can make life, brother. Canada is here now.
So about what you think about the deported them when you get deported all of Jamaica right
Boy, you
now
know,
and
so
stuff?
to be honest with you, I'm not watching news, but if I say about deporting me, I pray for them. You see me just make sure so they stash some money and don't know.
So what if them never stash no money?
Boy, they make sure say they make some friend.
Yeah, man, some good one
Lord.
too.
Yeah. Cause you see me.
Yeah, over Jamaica na easy, you know, dog. That me gonna know, you know,
You
dog.
make a 1-2 call upon 2 people and you don't know.
Yeah,
If 2 people they respect you in your place, then we send a little thing come go and help you.
So yeah, tell them say listen, make sure say you have back company back. Don't
link
disrespect
up
your
some
people in
man.
Jamaica.
No, you don't know say that's how we train already. You can't throw stone behind it, not even in front of you. You're going to lift it up back again in front of you.
Yeah, if you get deported, nobody know. A whole heap of people that tell me say, my virgin just called me, just go and say, yo, the mother and the daughter get deported, you know, one time, you know.
Yeah,
and nobody now look upon him at Jamaica, you know.
Yes, you know, because we say again now.
Then got a family house go live. Yeah, me call my father just go. You know my father just say, wait no Rambo. My father say, you know what my father say? You smart no fuck. You below us at Jamaica, so anything can go on for you, you're alright.
Yeah, because
and when you have your citizenship, you're alright.
You understand this, you know. Human beings, no matter what family or friends, they might tell you straight. everybody wants success. You see, and
man.
everybody I go for certain things in our life, but it's like here one now. Life reach a certain way where some people might not get for them one before. Some people go jump ahead, and then them go say, you know, people have feelings. A man might call for you one time when they want a one thing, and you know you look like you didn't have it, but you never give him. And him have it now, man, say why, you know, me I hold you back one day, cause time I go shine right today for me, tomorrow for me. So you see now, you're there foreign for example, and them I say, boy, you didn't say nothing come or give them a thing and ray. No, you jump on your face and you jump in a mile because
Me not go support you, cause you never said nothing come on. You never said nothing.
Right. So
Doors.
and then so you see me. But at the same time you have to show them 100 say no feel no way and I like say all the time it did every stretch to do. Because foreign here, when you're day night groovy, you have to know what you have to do. Otherwise, remember me tell you it's a bill country. Bills are always being printed. Once your name is here, you're going to pick up a fat bill. You understand me? Yeah. And it's going to cost you some months, maybe I'll pay it off. And you have to go get some credit, probably take out some money and borrow for pay it off. You have to go borrow some money from some friend. Then when you get back a little money where you work on, that money they have to go pay back everybody.
Yeah,
so you're going back a square one again. So it up and down and you have to know what you do. You see me? And that is it. But as I say, we really just look on the facts of life and say, well, you what, family and family no matter what. And even when a man drop, you help him back up same way. When and him can see the difference. You see it? Because I still family, right?
When the door closed, you can't. And one open, you can't watch it and say, yo, you're not going to go through the door there. You have to go through the door. You have to make what you have at the moment be a peace.
Yeah, man.
You see me? And you save little. And away, you make a way you save.
We know that,
you see
man.
me?
But that the topic where man say do like
so what year so what year
if you don't see nothing in our way that you must say you know so
yeah.
say that if you don't see nothing now you drop back and look for a family.
Nobody now look for you, you know.
Nobody now look for you.
Nobody now look for you, you know.
Try to differentiate you know why them say that in our way.
I even want to put resources.
You know, I get dips, it's okay.
You understand that?
You avoid pin.
The pin is out of the picture. Don't do nothing forget the poor. But
Rambo,
as we say, religion and foreign, so everything is alright.
Rambo, if you ever get deported back at Jamaica.
Me alright on a level still. My family alright. We don't have money from Jamaica from time. You understand?
So what you that tell the new you see what Donald Trump had ship out people like all if you Canada,
you know, here we go on. Like me say again, this is strength in numbers, unity. So people are going to go on like them, they know people and go on them out of place. Don't do that. Hear the thing now. You see some people on the plane when they are go down, make a link. Hold on the link up, foreign link, you don't know a thing. Right now, money still can make because you see the world get universal right now. Because you have YouTube, you have TikTok, you have all type of thing. You understand? And here we know. If you and a man go down and a man have a little piece of bread and you have a little piece of bread, maybe you only can put it in a little investment and get a thing and make a thing go on, you know. You understand me? Come back, man. You understand? Well, and that me try to say, me I try to give them a code what them have to do because
remember, a man find an investment.
Remember, you know.
House, well, I know. Some man say, yeah, having a house, a yard. Yes, that's an investment. You have some other man who know for the other investment. Other ways of being.
Then that me say again, link up and figure out.
And everybody want to go back to Jamaica.
Me just give a whole.
Yeah, but me I try to say.
It's not if them want to go back and have a choice. I deport them again though.
Yeah, that's what I say.
I deport them again, they never have a choice. So if they never want to go back, I just never have a choice.
Yeah.
No, but
so
me I say in general.
What is
no, but a lot of people say they come to Canada and they don't want to go.
Used to Canada.
They don't want to go back.
Me get that life because we don't know. Here we never call them people you know.
And everybody want to go back to Jamaica, you understand?
Some of them people they know. You waste time because differently I can show you the style.
I know waste time.
I look on this, I show you a thing. It's like the Christopher Columbus thing right now. You see any country where you're on, you're supposed to can take up yourself and left and go to the next country. You're supposed to alright, big man thing. You understand?
No, but then everybody
so you
want to go back to them countries.
Then
That's what I say.
You have the Philippines, 7,000 Canadian for the year. Can make you live.
Everybody always bring up Philippines.
Well, I'm going to say we studied it already. You have Asia, you have all these other countries you can go live.
Like you want me to go to Philippines?
You have Cayman, you have Barbados.
Me I go to Philippines.
You have Barbados.
Jamaica, wait there.
You understand?
Jamaica, me nah come back. I go sell my house. Me done with you. Me I got Filipino. Them say the Filipino girl them loyal.
Yeah, they want Filipino man want black man.
Jamaican girls
Want
not loyal to
That's
me.
what I mean. Philippine girls like
He must say the Filipino girl. Wait,
No,
put
whenever
it
I
on
say
camera
one
right
nation,
now.
I'm
You
just
say- you say
use it
Filipino
as a
at the
base
moment.
because I
nah man, Filipino at the
geographically,
moment. Filipino woman.
No, listen.
No, Filipino
well, watch
woman.
out. Me have
But a old.
me have a Guyanese
Wow.
woman now, chuck.
Yeah, but
Right?
Guyanese.
Yeah, and she loyal.
She loyal.
She loyal. Yeah.
But-
Nah, I go lie to
I'm
you.
trying to show you with
She loyal. So you know, you never know what can
no,
happen.
but the
Things can
Filipino
happen,
girl,
right?
no, but living in Philippines at the moment is cheaper.
Yeah,
When it
that we
comes
have to
to
be about the
economic-
basis economically.
But you have to have a trade for go over there to go for go work.
No, we
Not
can say
necessarily.
go. The thing is, the Filipino.
What is a trade? You can have marketing, you do marketing, and that's a trade.
Yeah, but you have to have a job over there. You have to sufficient
That's
yourself.
why
You know what I mean?
When we were coming here,
Like
did
me
we
just
have
say
a
again.
job? No. we
No,
have
but
to
me just a
create.
say,
We
cause
have
no,
to create.
all I know at the
We
end
have
of the
to
day,
create.
right?
It doesn't matter. We still have we have a different mindset. Now.
Okay,
That's
you can't
why
go over
it's
there. Can't go over there broke, you know.
Can't go over there broke. Yes.
That's what I
but
said.
for the next
You
thing.
use the word 7 grand. And I broke. 7 grand and I broke money.
It's me.
7 grand. You hear that? Yeah. Little bit shy from 1 million a yard. You understand that?
That's a lot of people don't know.
So, it's
$7,000
money.
It's a lot of money.
Still money.
So would you go back to Jamaica to live?
Yes, man, because my family alright, my yard alright. We well set. We're not nothing to worry about.
So would you
business,
go back to
everything,
Jamaica
yeah,
to live?
Of
With
course. I don't go around that.
To me, Jamaica is an investment country. As me I say, see, I think about investment.
Brother, when I born and
It's
grass,
a
so we know the
it's a
road. Me I go
mostly
back when I
investment
want to
country
go back.
for me, isn't it?
And no man
To
never
do
tell me so I
business.
can't come back. I
Isn't
want
it?
to
But,
people.
yeah, me I live there still, but at this moment, I think more wide my scope. If you
No, you're there on traveling thing. If you want to say that you will
isn't
continue
it?
to travel, you want
You
to know
know
the place.
what?
So you not go back to Jamaica?
No.
Not,
I
not
said-
for now, not for now. You're not.
And,
Alright,
even
you
say
not
go
go
back
back
like
to
when you go
Jamaica.
back to live. That you mean I just go back go travel.
No, like,
Wait,
cause you don't know,
that's
so we
how
have to work here at the end of the day, you know what I mean?
So you have to go back for let's travel. Of course, man.
Yeah,
We
we can
can't say
travel,
nothing.
yes.
Twi-
But
all
to
day,
live at
all
the
day.
moment,
All day.
with a money.
No,
we
me
can-
that's
we
like, let me say, live like 4 months out of the year.
Of course.
Yeah,
Nothing
yeah.
wrong with that.
Yeah,
A breeze that a yard,
yeah,
man.
yeah.
Come on, that a breeze over
If you
thing.
live down there,
A breeze over
mostly
thing,
do
that.
an Airbnb.
Not even.
Aye,
right
aye.
back in my town. Right back in my
Something
own
like
town.
that for no
Right, back in
put
my
money
home
back
town.
in your family. And so man, as me I say, investment. If you get deep and you get deep and you got yada, you don't have a marketing mind where Canada kind of teach you in a way. It don't make no sense. That's what I say.
So, alright, God for sake, if you ever get deep for go to Jamaica, what kind of business you do at Jamaica?
There's so much. There's so much. Management.
More if it smart up the youth them. Because a whole heap of youth come here and then they get back deep, but then go to Jamaica and fibble out. You understand?
The first-
Rambo, what you do?
Too much business there, Jamaica.
That's what
man.
I
For
say.
one,
There's a lot.
I
There's
can
so-
give you an idea like something what me that do right now. And anybody can do it anyway. And a simple thing, some materials.
And you know what I like you, Rambo?
Yeah.
You not come to Canada and you come sit down.
No, sir. What you talking about? They
You
can't do that.
understand?
They
You
can't do that.
market yourself, you push through,
Yeah, man.
and you do the right thing.
Yes,
you
man.
understand?
Yes,
No
man.
matter what. And the amount of thing them money they know my people, me I tell you, you know. You go see them and people at Jamaica, nah go do that themselves.
No,
because them too
no.
proud.
I saw you go sometime.
Same thing my brother and my people. What amount of thing when them man come and do here also. You understand?
Yeah.
But nobody no really
you are.
know the
Like-
lifestyle
like me I
where we
said
are living in
before,
this
this is
country.
before.
You understand?
Yeah, like me I said before, though, remember, you know,
Well, listen, Jamaica.
you
I'll
have,
get a
you have black and cement, right? You have black and cement, and it's like, other life there, you that deal with. For example, because you have people that build up places and people still buy with a black. You buy some cement, you buy some thing and make some blocks and sell them. Little by little, simple as that. Little by little. You know what I mean? Black now have to make you can buy one black machine and go on. You see me?
Bro.
Pour some cement and make blocks.
You know, the next thing you can hear for the
Landscaping, basically them kind of company there, landscaping and foreign. So you start with some blocks,
Yes,
you get
sir.
some sand, you start make a pile, people can come buy sand. all type of thing. You understand me? Business. You don't have much
Tourist
loss
industry
towards
right
them
now.
business there. If you think about it, I just basically, when they make a block, you're trying to break it up. And if you break it up, you crush it back and sell it in a gravel or something. You understand? So you have to know if you turn over to them business. But landscaping business for sure, a big business. Can't go house and build up a yard all the time. You see me, just go up on site and try to make a contract with one contract to them or people, or you advertise your business naturally that you sell black.
So what do you think
Simple
about
as
the
that.
tourism?
Thing, what me that think about it as in what aspect?
Having a business, not a tourism. A big
Well,
thing.
yeah, definitely. Like, but you have to look on it like make sure say you do your marketing. You understand because like I say, everybody do a tons of what you are do no matter what. Any business where you are do, other people are do it is just you gotta do it better, market your thing better, advertise your prices maybe look cheaper. You know, do things like that. If I Airbnb route, if you go permanent stay, you know what I mean, figure it out. Maybe you get a customer who do permanent stay. You don't have to think about Airbnb. Money already come up front, you charge a certain premium up front. That's that. You go and eat and live and alright. Put your money in a bank and then you don't know, take out bank loan. I teach you a code, OPM. If you don't know what that means, other people's money. That is the code to being rich. You understand? Don't use your own money, use other people's money. You use a little bit of your money for startup, you know. But they take the business
too much,
to the goal.
brother. Yeah, you can't
No,
give
you
a
have to give
code.
them, you know, I don't know.
Can't give a code. That's what I tell him.
This is what I'm trying to say. Everything in
Can't
life,
give a
we
code,
can't
brother.
keep saying we not give a code because
No, you gotta smart up
riches,
people,
Can't give
people
a
have to get
code,
rich no
brother.
matter what.
Alright.
Money have to go around.
You see?
When me learn from my granny, she tell me, you know, in her life, you see when you leave something on the earth for people can follow, and that's your legacy. You hear that? So no matter how you think about where, if you see something that start the black race, that's it. If every man can take a picture of my book come here and step on a black race, and that's it, brother. Sure and sure. No much money, not too much for no man have, and no much money. Not too much for no man not share.
We
you
as
understand
black
me? I
man
say
teach we
enough
for-
money
for-
there,
for-
brother.
for
So
build
me willing
money
to show man
and
exactly
open
what me
bank.
do and do it even better than me.
You see
Why?
me? Then I
I
teach
say
you
go.
how to open bank, in a bank, get certain credit, use a credit. Because everywhere you go, you have credit. As well, I say you can use a credit to a certain extent, and you can use the online banking to a certain extent where you can open up certain area, you get line of credit, you get loan, you get all of them things. If you know for have a
TFSA, man.
TFSA account,
Yeah.
you see me? Yeah. One of them account. if you
Tax
have a-
free saving account basically,
You see me?
you see me, that them call it in a fire. I
Yes,
don't
I
call it a
we
yard,
don't know
but
what we call it
tax
at
free.
other place.
You understand?
These accounts then get interest. You gain interest rates. So if you have a certain amount of money, you can make a certain amount of interest for your money every month, first of the month. You see me? So you put in a 7 grand or 10 grand, as in say 7 grand, a lot of money. You put in, you get, but you look for one bill 50 every month, or 2 bills extra every month for your 7 grand. You see me? So that's why we are say investment is a good thing and a best thing. Sometimes going the house route is not all. You can go a certain area, you make a lemon, get certain bank.
So me can buy one big car like this in Canada.
Work hard.
I want one big car too, you know.
Size no matter.
I want big car too. I want big car. Cause when you come out foreign, you want big car. If you see one man I drive a Jamaica spaceships. No, see, oh yeah, watch that. See one spaceship behind me? Yeah, big Benz.
Only that say,
So our next big Benz there, people when they come out foreign, can come take out all of the car. Come take out the car them, cause everybody can get car in Canada.
Everybody use credit.
But
Credit do everything.
the difference is Canada is not Jamaica here. Don't come here and do the same idiot thing. That's it.
If you don't know what you do, don't do it. But I got advice.
Jamaica,
Every man.
you can take out your car. Over here, so. You can, remember, you know, you got to pay $1,200 a month for one car, plus insurance, plus house bill, plus this, and then you got to say you want to build house in Jamaica. Don't do it.
Alright, listen now. It comes down to smarts after you get on thing over time. Car is really what's supposed to be our transportation, right? Now, like him said, I go back to it, it said it's big and it's nice and it's everything. But here one now, you have to have loopholes and you have to know ways. So we go back to also knowing people or you get things. But they are friends so long. Me is a car business business, so me have all kind of people deal with cars and we link cars. So basically, this is a favorable car from a good friend of mine. Him say you just hold on on a car.
That's
you get
a
to me I
code.
say. So that's a code for one. But here one now. If you get car, get practicality. Because that's really why me even get the favor practicality. You see what big? I for my family. Me a man, I be a youth me have. Me have enough youth. You understand?
So you come a Canada, come breed up a place?
Yes, man. Yeah, multi-population. Multi-population.
You have to multiply.
Yes, man. Multi-population. See?
I'm the only idiot because I never breed up a place.
Well, I don't know when I say pussy sweet and you go through sometime. You don't know what I got.
I'm the only idiot.
I come out of the door.
That's a code.
I'm not going to shit, you know.
But Rambo, you say you're an artist too, you know. You know what? Give me a one
no,
rap
when
quick.
they're on the top of the right now, it's still different because you don't know Vice kind of host and a capping. But a long time I do DJ
Where
thing.
people them can
But
find
you
the
can go check on the
music
tune
though.
still though. We're up on YouTube. It's a lyrical Rambo. Lyrical Rambo, one word. And the song is called Royalty. You see me? So lyrical Rambo, Royalty. You can check out that song. They never sang they up there go and beat. It's kind of like a rap. Kind of reggae, you know, vibes like a thing is, you see me, you hear the beat, you know what I go on.
And
but
again,
our thing different still.
And again, my people, live in Canada, Toronto, Jamaican. You have your producing company, you have the artists you want to shout out, where you help.
Yeah, man, we have enough artists out, man. K-Shark, you don't know, Drip Davis. You have to put it up one leader. You see me, you have to give him one thing. That's what I'm saying.
So much artists are helping that you're producing this will fuck you over.
Bro, there's so much, man. But
So you either go back in a producing thing?
honestly, I do it because I
Can't stop.
Can't stop. I love
You
music.
don't know who come and lose them term or lose them chance. So it goes, somebody might come and advance.
But it would be a wise advice to tell our next young producer who will come up and see the stroke where other
Yes,
people
man,
go through.
because like me go
Me not go
say,
shut down
pressure
no man
bill
go.
what?
Yeah, man.
Kings and diamonds,
Yeah,
you
man,
hear
me
that?
not go me not
So
go
listen,
say no to no
anything
youth.
you go through in your life sometime,
Yeah, fam.
have to learn.
Yeah,
If
you
a
have
man
to learn.
never fuck you over, you can't know say you have a rat beside you,
You
do?
see me?
Or a pussy beside you. You
Yeah,
understand
man,
what I
yeah,
say?
man.
So make him do it and then you figure people out.
Mood
You
look on a
learn.
young youth and tell them,
Mistakes
no,
make
go
you
for your goal,
perfect. You
go
hear
for your
that?
dream.
Because if you
feel
never
like-
make mistake, you can't correct it. You
Yeah,
hear that?
fam.
Mistake make you
if you want
perfect.
to be one-
And you, a reputation make you rich. Don't forget that. Same thing when you do as long as it work, go and do it.
If you want to be a leader, you are a leader. That's what I'm saying.
You know,
So you advise them for just do them one for do.
Do it, one life, you know, and you have to live it, you know. You can't live a life on expectation. That's what
That's
I'm
cool.
saying. You have to live a life on how you want to live. You be the best you can become. That's what I'm saying. So if you want to be a pilot, you be a pilot. If you want to be
Yeah, I'm going to show you the code.
movie star. If you want
May I
to be
show
an
you a
artist,
code in
you
our
be an
life right
artist.
now.
Just
And it's
so
very simple. You see, life is like a tree, though. And a baby branches. Right? They grow up and they come small and they grow up. So you come from a baby, you start to do some things. So you are with people now, I'm going to try to show them. Try to learn as much things as you can learn.
Yeah,
Don't
man.
tell yourself so you can't
Don't
do
limit
nothing.
yourself.
Don't limit yourself. That's the first thing. Second thing, you know, you have a three thing when I read your base plan where you think about. You think about three security, I call them the three S's. You see me? Yes, you get up and you think about security, you know. You call them your
Security, yeah,
security.
man.
You see, you want me to say security now.
Yeah, man.
You see, if you don't secure you,
Yep.
you can't help others. And if you don't secure certain things, you can't. You understand?
Can't
So you
move
what?
on.
Me secure my brain. First thing that. You know why I secure my brain now? How me that secure my brain now? Make sure say, oh, I put beer knowledge in there as much as possible. Read books, watch TV, anything that can give me something to make me educate myself better. You see, next security I know, me secure my belly. You understand me? So we make
Yeah,
sure
health.
say certain food when
Yeah,
I eat,
man.
I'm not ready
Health are a
to
big
eat.
thing,
You
yeah.
understand? And certain things where I got people place because I rule, you don't really licky,
Yeah,
yummy,
man.
you understand me?
You
So
have to secure your
you
health.
secure your belly.
Yeah, man.
You see, next security now, your money in your pocket. I mean, I show you how them they match now. You see, when you think right, it make you want eat right, do things right. So when you start eat right, you feel good about yourself. And you watch your pocket, you watch your money. You understand? Them all go together. You get what me I say? So if you do them three things there every day, read a book, think about making some money, and eat some food, what more you have to worry about?
Right, man.
What more you have to worry about? No, I not say fuck pussy, you know. I not say drive a car, you know. I not say none of that, you know. I talk about
All of them
something,
they will come
them
to
with
life
them
after,
three
man.
things are gonna make you
Yeah, man.
rich
All of them
or
will come to
wealthy
life after.
Alright.
and have a little longer life.
Yeah,
Because you
man.
see,
Rest
Jam-
of them
Jam-
will
don't
come
full
to
up
life.
your mind with a bag of things.
Jamal have a line in one of them song them,
Yeah.
right? Girls are drugs.
Yeah.
What you ask about that?
Well, basically addiction, of course, because
It is an addiction. and
once
that's
you
the
get
much I
something
show
from
you.
her, you're going to get addicted, right?
And
Hey,
that's
daddy.
the much I show you.
Nah,
You
stop.
understand?
Cause boy, hear what them money, you know, white
once you get
boy.
something from her and you think me, you don't know if
One girl tell me, say, I said one girl tell me at Jamaica, say, yo, Jay, look, you never waste your money for me. Cause watch, you know, me a breed and thing. And she say, see that Jay, me I just fuck you up long time.
God.
And she say, oh Jay, I'm happy you never think like that. And you go build house at Jamaica.
Addiction.
What you say about that?
To man like us is just addiction. Woman,
What I say?
we as man,
Like you go back to me again, I'm saying, I'm show you something now.
addiction.
You see in life, me learn the next rule. So I say, I love my granny, thank you, mama, big up yourself. You see me? But watch that one here. You see, if you pick up a woman, if you have $1, it's split in half. You understand that topic there? Because you see now, you have to provide for another person. So if you $1 is a share for you, now it shrink. Now you see, so enough man understand this. Enough woman understand this. Them meet and them live a life for them call in the moment.
Yes.
You see me? And not for a long term.
Not for a long
You
term,
understand me?
nothing.
So you see,
I heard it,
when she
isn't
come now and she get 50 cents, she not say, boy, me put on 25 out of it. Alright, and make me try to tell him
But
to
then
put
why
on
you
even
have to
10
put
or
on
so.
25 out of
Right?
it?
But you what I'm now.
Stability. That
Everything
come
get
back
blow
to-
up eventually. You understand? When everything goes out and blow up now
Stability,
eventually,
them a look for you.
everybody now start scramble like a rat and thing.
So me ask you a
And run
question.
around now,
Me
so-
not stop.
Yeah,
So if one girl link me, right?
yeah,
You put out your number, you know.
yeah,
And you put out your number, you know.
yeah,
So if one girl link you and say, oh, I like those two guys.
yeah.
Want them to migrate to England. Would you guys go to England?
No.
No, man, we visited for
No, when I was
vacation.
clone the thing now, like why she just
Girl want fly you out.
Yeah, you should want fly me out to have you rich?
Girl want.
She rich? That you say?
Me not know she rich,
So
you
she
know.
want fly me out Boland. Plane ticket alone now go fool me, you know. Cause me go fly go there now and me can't fly
Can't
back
fly
for
back.
example.
And it'll be a
Eh?
problem. And
What I want to
listen,
say?
we go on there as a vacation on our own
Eh?
benefit.
What I want to say, what me do that for?
Listen,
She want fly you out, man.
She want
we
fly
not-
me
we not
out.
fighting, As
Yeah,
me I say.
man.
I like me at the plane and she will jump on me and fly me
No
out.
man, she take
Round
you.
and round.
She bring you to England and she fly you back home.
Yeah, and where she bring me to England for?
Forget to know you more.
Forget to know me more so we couldn't talk on the phone.
No,
She wants to see me in person.
in person.
Yeah, and we have to do it at England.
Yeah.
Alright, so you know what I happen to do?
Or America.
Just like everything,
We can just go
No,
America
but
like
just
that
like
anyways,
everything
but
still,
you just a say.
me have to go make sure so we have
Or the Caribbean.
like me get security again. Me have to draw me look a book with the 3S.
Security.
You have a place where me can go and talk to some people if anything.
Security.
With, you know?
So me ask you a question. You don't talk to a broke girl or a rich girl?
Well at this point if she fly me out a rich me I look for. Do.
Rich?
Me not gonna go around that.
Well,
You broke and fly me out, that don't make no sense. What me a
No,
go
I'm
do?
just
Me a broke
saying.
man
I'm
do.
just saying.
Mm.
Middle class type of girl vibe and shit.
Brother, listen, I know if you because money I'm going to but you say fly me out. But me meet a regular girl. Where
No.
say? Meet a regular girl
No,
now?
you
How
need,
go?
we as man
What
need
we
to
there
stop
for?
say that. We need to stop say, oh,
No.
because
No,
you
no,
see
wait,
girl
this
that-
one
them
for
girl
no.
that
Where we
have
there
expect
pan?
them and-
Which
with
topic
them
we there pan now?
So in cut off a topic
Mm.
with the fly note, in the topic where say, yo,
Rich girl or a
rich
broke
girl,
girl?
broke girl.
Alright, watch it now. Alright.
Tell him say,
The broke girl, alright, watch it now. The broke girl, nice physique and everything.
No, I'm not care about looks.
Body nice,
No, I'm not care
everything.
about looks no more.
And then the rich girl don't
girl
have none of
it don't matter,
that,
it
but
don't
she got money.
You and me I look for though. Good
Me not
pussy
care
out
for
of
the
that.
money out of the
More good pussy at that point.
Yeah,
Good
as
pussy.
long as a girl there.
Good pussy man. Yeah, tight, fat, you know, fluffy. Yeah, wet up when me.
So that's addictive. I say
And that me I look for at
addictive.
this point, don't it? Because you what know.
Stability. That's it.
The money me not really need.
You look like you
We
like
need
white
money.
girls.
No. Me not like white girls. But me
Like
beat
you
up
like
a white
white
girl.
girls.
Me beat it up all day.
Yeah, me not
No
care
problem.
which
Yes.
So what? Because children live in Canada now,
Yeah.
and then get this the supplement of visiting these white girls and black girls and Indian and everything. What's your pick?
My
Half a
pick?
race. Half a race.
God,
Me not
no.
care, you know.
Bad man.
Right
Listen
there
me.
says a different topic. Me
My
not care,
pick
yeah.
is good pussy.
yeah.
all day.
God, they're all good looking. A woman name.
So if the pussy
You're not no
good,
race.
Me not no
if the
race
pussy
You're not
good,
no race.
where?
Yeah, not one race
The
a choice.
pussy good.
Because a lot of guys, no, because me been around a lot of Jamaican, right?
Yeah.
And a lot of Jamaicans say, yo, I don't want to deal with no more black
Look at that
girls.
girl. Look how she nice. She pretty.
She nice?
She say she shy. Look there, watch her.
Up
You
top,
see me, I say,
mama.
a man with a
Yeah.
I call it that hour. What you say? Alright, love mommy. You see me, I say, them way there, you see it.
But
You
no,
know,
me
them feel
I
like,
try
you
to
see
say,
me?
a lot of men say, them no want to deal with no. Let me ask the brother here.
Yeah.
Brother, me I go stop you in your truck, sorry. Here. Quick question. What type of girls do you like?
Dress?
What type of girls do you like?
Oh.
Like, internationally, what's your preference?
your
Black,
preference?
white, Filipino, Asian, Caribbean, Jamaican.
I like having girls, but I prefer black girls.
Black girls. See these girls, these niggas, they say white girls. Oh, just all white girls they on. Like I need this one from Jamaica too. Like look at them. Look at it.
I do believe that Yoruba girls are the best in the world.
Black girls are the best.
Yeah, black girls.
You hear that, my people? And this is nobody. Me just ask a question and something. But wait, you have an Instagram or something you want to shout out or a business? You can shout it out right
I
now.
don't have a business though.
Nothing.
I
Shout
do
out your
have-
Instagram.
You can just show yourself
I
out.
can shout out to my people
Yeah,
in
man.
Nigeria. Particularly
Big up in Nigeria and
Yoruba
then
girls.
building.
Bless
Yeah,
up yourself.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
That's
respect,
that.
respect,
Black
respect.
girls straight out.
Yeah.
Yo, what's the bump for them?
Black girl like this.
Alright.
And you see what she have push in front there. Cause man have to make sure saying carry that home. Keep that one there home.
But preference
Yeah.
in a girl, no, I'm not gonna say. I'm not gonna be judgmental, isn't me? No, I have no preference in a girl. As long as they look good and they stabilize, right?
Like me just say again. I go through all type of I might be mad at them all type of race, all
You
type
feel
of
me?
nationality.
Like,
me have
nah,
that
just sit down
me
and say.
experience. Yes, black woman.
So,
is-
next
is a
question
thing where
too,
that's a
sorry.
But at the end of the day, if me I get love better and treatment, that's all it is, you know.
That-
And next question. And next question.
Yeah, yeah.
Me not ask them some more questions,
Yeah.
but me gonna leave that alone. Cause you know a woman not care about man in Canada. Me gonna leave that apart alone. But
You can't say
ne-
woman not care, cause my
they
woman
they
don't care
they,
about
they
me.
not no they not care.
Yes, man, them care, man.
Them
Now,
not
yes,
care.
Me have woman don't care about me, brother. Yes, man. me don't
Well,
about
to the
women.
limit.
Well, I bet they even want to say that to all of me, but I can tell you something, I can diss it like that, cause them
But I mean, not even want to go on that topic there, cause you
Yeah.
me know.
Yeah.
Me just a say,
Yeah.
would you tell a man to come to Canada, like the experience or Uno vibe out with to Canada right now? Like, oh, Canada treat Uno compared to if you not have to live in Jamaica compared to Canada. You understand?
To each to their own.
I will tell a man, yes, brother, try come to Canada, no problem. Take the opportunity.
Take the
'cause
opportunity, but-
me get mine and me take mine. I do something good with mine and me alright.
To each their own.
Like we are going to go down on it now. Make sure say just come and foreign dog and do something with it. You me gonna tell every man like this is the code again. Brother, one life we have to live. You got dead broke, you got dead rich, whichever way I want
Anyway,
dead, I promise you dead.
there.
But in between that time there, you want to live right.
Yeah.
As I say, feel like you help some people, do some things now. Feel proud about yourself, that's it. You see me I say? So you come and foreign, just try and make the bit
make
of best of
peace,
yourself
yeah,
at
man,
least.
make
You see me?
peace, man.
A little bit of it.
Now come
And
and
if you
involve
can
my
go
past
large
life.
night, brother, use up the opportunity. But
Yeah.
yo, just make a little piece. Nobody come here to come to jail time. Can't waste of time. You see me I say, me I tell you straight. If you left yard and come and find come to jail time, where you left yard for in first place? You come stop yourself. For what?
That's a code.
It don't make no sense.
Yeah,
I chop
man, no
in.
certain
So,
things, man.
from your state of jail thing, you don't know how much money you earn.
Yes,
I'm
true.
going to tell a man this. Don't feel no way shame. Nothing. You see, if you work for your bread,
I man, no,
Any
worries,
bread where
man,
you
no
work
worries,
for,
man. Yeah, man.
be proud of that
yeah,
bread.
Be proud of that. Yo, one thing, my
me,
my
we
granny,
work
my
at
great granny,
McDonald's. Me we work cleaning a
My
man's
mother-
shoes. As long as me I make my bread, and my bread.
I'm not
You
gonna
see
bash,
me?
'cause you see,
I'm not
garbage
going to
man
go on
chip-
topic and
garbage
talk
man
about.
work over here. a
That's
big
$30 an
job.
hour.
Listen.
Big job over here. Say, you make a garbage man come.
White
here, say.
girls.
You see me?
Hey.
A big job they have
You
over
can
here.
say
you see
hi.
me?
You can stop for a bit. I just want to ask a question. Just a little question. Come on. Just come over here real quickly. 1 second. Look at this. Look at this. Cars are coming over here, bro. Just trying to ask a question. No, I'm a YouTuber, right? I'm just trying to ask a question quick time.
Oh, YouTube? What are you doing YouTube for?
Like, I'm a Jamaican YouTuber.
Oh, okay.
So he just got back to the country, and would you ever date a Jamaican?
Maybe.
Why? Why you say me? What about you?
Not my type.
Why is there not your type though?
I'm just like, I'm into brown guys.
Brown guy.
Yeah.
But look at them. We're almost brown. I think we're brown though. Like, look at
Oh,
them.
she likes like brown.
Brown. Like. So what's you guys' background though?
We're both Algerian.
Algerian. I not even know where that is.
Algeria is in North Africa.
Oh, you guys are African.
Yeah.
You guys are white.
Yeah, everyone says that.
That's okay.
But no. Why you say that? Because
There's all kinds of.
yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Like, people would have just like, oh, only black people come from Africa, but you have Liberia, you have all these places in Africa. You know what I mean? Like,
Nigeria.
but so, you guys want to show your social media? 416. You see that? Blessings, man. Blessings, man. Bless. I'm out here doing the next video again. You see that? That I could. No, you guys want to show the you see that right there? You see it? All right. But you guys want to show your Instagram and stuff?
Sure.
You never know if a nice little black man down the lane want to talk to you guys.
The girl,
I was want to answer Kristen.
No, she said brown.
Brown skin guy.
Like-
brown skin or brown as an Indian?
Like Pakistani, Indian, yeah.
That's her vibe.
It's just been my not my type. Like my.
But that's not her vibe.
But what's your vibe?
Oh, okay. So you dated and you just
I'm
kind of
into like
okay,
dark
okay.
skins. I'm into anyone who's not like Asian. I'm not into like Asians like that.
That's how good.
Fair.
Could I ask your zodiac signs?
I'm Capricorn.
I'm Libra.
I'm
What
just
is
a
your
chill
I'm
one.
a Virgo.
Oh, Virgo people are
I'm
wicked.
Aquarius.
Aquarius.
Okay.
So what sign do you like then?
It
I'm not even
depends.
into
It
signs,
depends. Are you a January Capricorn or December Capricorn?
December.
Oh.
Boxing Day.
I don't like January Capricorn.
I'm a Boxing Day guy.
Yo, she's
What about you?
See, I told you.
I don't
These
know.
girls
I'm
are
not,
very
like,
choosy. And
I don't know
stability
much about
regardless.
people's signs. You know, I kind of just take them for how they are. Like,
That's how cool.
I got
Girls
nothing to
are
do with their
stability.
sign.
You know, until, they have their choice. They have their pick. They
So
know
is
what
this
they
YouTube
want.
right now?
Right now.
No,
Yeah.
like,
That's
like you have like a
No, it's
channel?
not live. Yeah, I have
Oh,
my
it's
channel.
not
No, it's not live.
No, but I have my channel though. 416 876
Edited, yeah.
Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm really a photographer, you know. Like I'm a director. I supposed to go on my photo shoot right now,
You
but
guys smoke weed?
Yes.
Okay.
All day, every day.
This is why I'd like, I would always hang out with Jamaicans. 'cause I know
Okay.
that they smoke.
All right, cool.
this is my
No, but
page.
you
This
have
is what
good
I
and
do.
Cool vibe Jamaicans, yeah, definitely.
Like a photo shoot, music
Yeah,
videos,
that's what
all
we
that
do.
shit, you know.
That's pretty cool.
Okay.
At the end of the day, but yeah, man, like
That's pretty
we
cool.
out here working, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
That's a code, man. But
Here, I'll give you a
but I enjoy my time with you guys, and I respect that you know, like not a lot of people like, oh, okay, boom, they will stay and talk with us, like, you know what I mean. So I respect that. At the end of the day, may follow you back, both back at the thing, you know. Yeah, man. But she like Indian, man, so we'll never talk to her again. So-
No, it was a good fight. I respect
Probably would
it.
try a different
Yeah.
race eventually.
Nah, she just like
sometime
Indian.
down the line. Sometime down the line.
Yeah.
Nah,
Just
life
like
like
go over
things
it.
in life.
I'm 20.
Yeah.
Lots of
So they can bring you to Jamaica one time.
You guys have so much
I mean, I
time.
do like to travel.
What if you bring her to Jamaica one time?
She not love it
She
still,
probably
but
wouldn't want to
she have
come back.
enough
I
time.
know that
Yeah,
for
but-
sure.
Yeah, we don't have
Trust
enough
me,
time.
she would
You
not
know,
want
you
to
guys
come
have-
back. She would not want to come back.
You been to Jamaica before?
Beaches,
No, but I would love to go there.
music.
You been to Jamaica before?
Food.
I got a
friendly people.
villa in Jamaica, so
Wow.
Yeah.
at the end of the day,
We all have
we could probably bring them to Jamaica. Call it a day.
Places there?
I have places. I have a
Yeah,
villa,
man.
He's
So
just
why
finished
would you
building
leave?
one. No, we actually stayed here and built it.
No, you have to bill it from here to
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
You know, not like you
I have
can't
my own
stay there to
business
bill
here
it.
and stuff.
You know what I mean?
I operate my own business.
Leave the people alone. Come, man, and make it.
Pardon?
You want some Appleton in there? That's what he's
I
asking.
don't know what
you.
that is.
Oh, see, oh my God, it's called rum. You want some
Oh
rum?
no, I don't.
See, she don't
That-
drink.
that-
There you
that-
go.
that-
Right, but we sip. Yeah, yeah.
Just
Religion, right?
no.
Or
I
just don't.
I don't like it. It never
Yo,
sits
people,
well.
Oh.
I'm gonna go to my photo shoot.
That's all
Okay.
we know.
I call it a day. That. But they wait for too long now. Too much people
You guys-
figure me out now, so I
You
gotta
guys
go.
have- you want weed?
I've been just getting.
I know he's saying about weed now. Like, what the hell is wrong with these people? Yo, people, we gotta go. Nah.